Hello friends, this is Satyajit. Welcome to this tutorial. In this session, we are going to learn some data structure and algorithm problems. And the problem is count occurrence of an element in a list without using any inbuilt type of function like enumerate and counter. So we have a list and we have the elements, which is the multiple elements, and we need to count the occurrence of an element without using any inbuilt type of function. Okay, so let's create a method or function. So let's say count repeated. Okay, to pass the first argument with the list, then create a dictionary because we need to store the element in a dictionary. Then create a iterating the elements for I in list. Then we need to create a condition here that new dict I equal to list dot count I. We have to return our new dict dictionary. Then we have to call our count repeated function with our argument list. Then run this code. It will give the output as in the occurrence of the element, how many times is repeated, like one is repeated two times, two is repeated two times, three is repeated one times, and four is repeated two times, and so on, and a is repeated one time and d is repeated two times. All right. So when you solving the problems, always focus on the time complexity of these problems, because time complexity is much more important in data structure and algorithm. So here the time complexity will be the n, because the n is the the length of this list. Okay. So always focus on the time complexity. Okay. So this is the logic of this count occurrence of an element in a list without using any inbuilt type of functions.